Let's get an overview of partitioning. Most of the modern database technologies support wide variety of partitioning strategies, including Postgres. However, here are the most commonly used ones. They are nothing but list, range, and hash partitioning. However, even within these three, list and range are more widely used compared to hash partitioning. We can also mix and match these to have multi-level partitioning such as list, list range, list hash, etc. It is called as sub-partitioning and also known as nested partitioning. Whether you call it as multi-level partitioning or nested partitioning or sub-partitioning, it means the same. We can either partition a table without primary key or partition a table with primary key when partition column is primary attribute. When we say partition column is primary attribute, it has to be one of the primary key columns. Then only we will be able to partition a table with primary key. When it comes to partition table, we can have indexes on top of them. If we create on the main table, then it is called as global index. If we just create index for each partition, then it is called as partitioned index. Postgres have a unique style of adding partitions to a partition table. We'll get into the nuances about how to add partitions to the partition table, how to define indexes and all those things as we proceed into the subsequent topics related to list partitioning, range partitioning, hash partitioning, etc. We will also understand how to get data into these partitions that are part of a partition table.